Welcome to Avery's Rush. I'm Madeline. I'm Avery.
What are we doing today, Avery?
We're making money up on YouTube today.
Yeah, we do got like 1,500 and something subscribers. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
maybe you should ask
Dad
for
didn't
like
pay
50
us.
bucks.
We need $100 because
Yeah.
we're past 100.
Yeah.
So we have to talk to Dad to give us money. Dad!
Dad! Chicken chop.
What?
Sit down. We'll tell you.
Sit down, you'll tell me.
I'll tell you what. So let's get into it.
If you're gonna jump around like that, I can't talk. So have a sit down. You want me to sit down? You guys sit down too. What do you want to talk about?
So we made it past 100, and you still didn't pay us.
You made it past 100 subscribers?
So we need $100 bucks.
Yeah.
But why?
Because we made it past 100, and you still haven't paid us.
Yeah. So what you gonna do about that?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Well, you making it past 1,500 subscribers don't mean you get paid.
Oh, yes, we do.
You're going over the video. We're going to have to start over.
So, I'm going to need you to pay us right now, mister.
Why? Because you've been making videos?
Yeah, we got 100. We got to 100.
Over 100 videos?
Yeah, we got to like 1,000 videos.
So you think because you made over 100 videos and,
Means we get money. And that's yes.
and you got over 1,500 subscribers, it's time for me to pay you $100?
Yes.
Exactly.
Well, where's that $100 coming from?
Your wallet.
But YouTube hasn't put any money in my wallet yet.
Oh, but you're gonna get it. And you're gonna give it.
I don't think this is fair.
Totally fair. Now give over the money before I whip your butt.
I don't want to whip him.
Now hand over the
It
money.
looks like your hands are full. I can't give you anything.
What about now? Now
Give
let's
us the money.
You did.
That's $50.
Nice.
Apparently she's going to go double check with Mom how much money that is. So Adeline,
Yeah.
so you think you're supposed to get paid every time we make a video?
Yeah.
No.
Well, maybe. I don't know this.
Dad, this is unacceptable. 50 more. 50 plus more.
I didn't know I was having to pay you money tonight.
You have to pay me $100 tonight.
Okay,
told
well,
you this.
I'll have to get some more money out the bank.
What bank?
You mean what bank? My bank.
You don't have a bank, only I do.
Well, then I need to borrow $50 from you.
Why? You're gonna give it back to me?
Yeah.
Why would you do that? That's just stupid. Get some from the real bank.
I tried to, and you said I don't have a bank. Only you do.
The place where you pay money and get the money.
That's what I just said. And you accuse me of not having a bank account.
You drive to it.
I know.
You don't get it from my piggy bank.
But you accused me of not having a bank.
Huh? No!
Okay, well, I'll get you $50, okay?
$50 more plus $50 more.
Alright, are you happy now?
Yes!
Can I go back to what I'm doing?
Yes. Yes. Now goodbye.
Oh, guys, before you leave, I need to show you something.
Where's she at? Chicken jockey. Oh, yeah. Now, bye, guys. Bye. Apparently, the video has ended. Okay, so when your mom and dad ask you to do a YouTube video or a live video, say yes. But stop right there. Wait, hold your horses. After the video, you have to give me 2 50s to make 100. That makes 100. So, goodbye guys. That's how you make money on YouTube. And make sure to tell your
Oh,
parents.
bye, guys. Like and subscribe if you haven't.
Make sure to tell your parents that you deserve money when you do a video.
Yes.
And you get a lot of subscribers.
Yes.
Bye!
Goodbye.